gentlemen, do not adjust your TV. This, I repeat you, this is not a test. This is the real deal. I say, Old Town, that town, where you at, where you at? South Central, where you at? Come on, y'all, break it down. We right here at Manchester and Broadway. We right here in the margins and South Central LA. Downtown, where you at? Town, where you at? Long Beach, Inglewood, Long Beach, Inglewood. Come on, yo, check this out, y'all. Check me out on YouTube. You will see more of this and that. Check it out. A 1, a 2, a 3, 4. Inglewood, where you at? They just about to start pulling it up. Judges are gonna break it down. They're gonna win the championship. What you gonna do when you step in LA? You better have your joint ready to go. Wear the LA attitude. Put your LA attitude face on. Get your game on. Lakers is gonna make it happen. Lakers all the way, baby. 1. Represent all this flag. I represent all this